Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, thanks to Albrecht Buick GMC in Wakefield, Massachusetts, we have the 2016 Mercedes-Benz GL63. I've always wanted to try the biggest, well, G63 is the biggest, but GL63 is a three-row performance SUV, which is kind of a bit of an oxymoron. So when I saw they had this on the lot, I'm like, all right, I gotta check this thing out. 5.5 liter twin turbo V8, 550 horsepower, 560 pound-feet of torque, and a gorgeous spec on this example. Leather's soft, supple, just overall really cool. Handcrafted. That's pretty darn cool. Why don't we go ahead and take a peek at that 5.5. It's not the 6.3 that everybody has known and loved, but it's an AMG motor nonetheless, so I'm okay with it. Suede headliner. That's one of the easiest ways into my heart. Put a suede headliner on something. A couple different drive modes. Opens that up. Oh, dated things. Actually, no. It's an undated thing because it's the old adapter to the new. Undated. Let's go for a drive. Dashboard, very soft, supple leather, even the lower section, which that's one of those things where it doesn't cost a lot of money to do, but you're paying this much money brand new, have it done. Like if that was cheap plastic, even right here is soft touch leather. It's one of those things that I love about Ferraris is everything you see is leather or carbon fiber or a very high quality material, and that's just one of those things that you're spending that much money, you get it and you're like, okay, I see where my money went. So do stuff like that. It's relatively cost effective at this price point. Just do it. I love this traffic for no reason. Just why can't we all just go fast? Everybody floor it and see what happens. Why can't we do that, world? Just everybody floor the accelerator and don't hit the brakes until you're about to hit something. Plain and simple. That's quick. That's really quick. you think about it, well, it came after the fact, but no, around the same time. Although they were making these before, whatever. This is Germany's version of the Durango SRT. And I love that, just because of how absurd it is. I've always said AMG is the German muscle car. Audi, BMW, or I should say RS, S, and M. M is very much kind of precision. Audi is a combination of two. Mercedes is, AMG is just muscle. And I sit there and I think everybody talks about the German big three and say, all right, which one's your order? 1, 2, 3. And depends on what car it is. Like, my go-to is BMW is number 1. And then Audi and Mercedes bounce every once in a while between 2 and 3. But then you sit there and you start comparing individual cars. And I'm like, okay, so no, I like this one more. Like, so they all honestly are around the same. But AMG has always been the muscle pick. If you want the most flamboyance and character and just in your face aspect, AMG is where you have to go. And that remains true here. It's just flamboyant, in your face, just sledgehammer. I mean, you just sit there. Every touch point. Even that's the difference. Puppy in a Pontiac Grand Prix that's still on the road and running. So I really didn't have much of a choice, but you're good.